question number 21. Now we have a figure like this. And okay, now this is A, B, C, G, F, H, E, T. Now from here you actually have a line that is hitting the other end. Okay, so this line is actually going up and hitting this G and moving up. So figure is not to scale. Okay, now you have to understand that there is no hit at F. It is hitting the diagonal across A to G. So you have to visualize it like that. I'll place the image for this question so that you will have a better view of what is happening. Now what we are asked to find is, this is 14.5, this is 9, this is 18.6. Okay, so the extension is going all the way to M, so it's going out. Now we have to calculate the angle between the stick and the base. So that is required. Now this line from A to C will be our adjacent side. Now this direction, this thing, okay, this is our adjacent side. Now what we have to do is we will have to calculate AC. Now clearly this is going to be a right triangle, right? So AC squared will be equal to AB squared plus BC squared. That's 18.6 squared added with 9 squared. Now you can use a calculator. So 18.6 squared, that is 345.96 plus 81. So I'm going to add 81. That is giving a value of 426.96. So you take a square root of 426.96. So that is actually giving you a value of 20.66 cm. So what is this? This is AC. Okay, I've got AC. Now having got AC, I need to get AG, right? That is what is required. AG is required. So AG squared is equal to AC squared plus CG squared. Now AC squared is 20.66 squared positive CG, this is CG, right? CG squared is 14.5 squared. Now what is this? This is 20.66 squared, which is 426.84, and 14.5 squared. $14.5 squared is 210.25 plus 426.84. So this is giving me 637.09. This is AG squared. But AG is equal to square root of 637.09. That is giving me a value of 25.24. Okay, cm. Now, this is not the end of the question. The end of the question actually wants us to find the angle that the sticks makes with the base. Okay, so this is required, this theta is required. So to get the theta, what I'm going to do is I can actually use the adjacent versus the hypotenuse, right? So cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse side. Adjacent side is AC divided by hypotenuse side is AG. This is cos theta. So AC is 20.66 divided by AG is 25.24. So 20.66 divided by 25.24. So this is my cos theta. So cos theta is equal to 0.8185. Theta is equal to cos inverse of 0.8185. So you will have to get that value. So if you were to utilize your calculating power, this would be 35 is equal to 35.06 degrees.